Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am really excited that you're here, and we are having an ice storm in the middle of Texas. I live in the Metroplex area, so we are experiencing really heavy ice storm this evening, and I wanted to film a little bit of it so you can see what it's like. So I opened the door and the ice is pouring in and getting all over the console area. And we are getting ready to head to go to Dollar General because I needed to get some Coca-Cola for Mike and also get some cereal, bananas, and strawberries. So I was able to get everybody together in the car and we're headed out. As you can see right here, the ice is starting to really build up on the roadway. This is only about 15 minutes since it started, and it is covering the ground pretty thick already. Okay, so we made it to our little small town, and it looks like everything is closing down. The Dairy Queen is closed, and hoping that we can get into the grocery store right here, but if not, we will head to Dollar General because the highway was closed over closer to where we live, and the Dollar General over there was closed down, so we made a detour to the next little town. And this is a total sheet of ice, trying not to slip, wearing my farm boots, and you can see the ice build up all over, and this icicles as well. And yes, it is icy cold. Okay, so now we're headed back home. So out of this yucky weather and into a warm house. And now we're on to Tuesday, and this is my mixture for my chickens. They have oranges, fresh mealworms, cilantro, and some plums are mixed in there, and I'm going to go out and feed these to my beautiful little babies. Okay, so try not to fall down these stairs, and this brave little hen came out to meet me because she's hungry. They have food in there, but they get treats every day. So she came out to say hello, and I'm going to try to get her back into her little area. And it's time to give them a little fresh snack. And they're doing pretty well out here, which is exciting. And I'm just going to spread this out for them. And hopefully all of them huddle up together and stay warm. The water out here is frozen, so they have a warm water container inside their coop. So they have plenty of fresh water. And look, this little girl came back in. Smart, because it's really cold out there for their feet.
see if I have any eggs. Don't know. There's one way over there. They have their water that's plugged in, so they have fresh water. It's warm. And then they left me one egg that I can't reach way over there, so I can't find.
I have one egg. I need Mike to come help me get it out of this situation over here. For some reason, they like to lay one egg back there. And they have fresh water.
Yes, we are closed for sure.
Only fitting to say we're closed today because it's frozen outside and everything in
Pure
Texas
sheet of
is
ice.
closed.
And it's still coming. I can feel the ice in the air and the wind.
The black panels on the side are to keep them warm, so they will lay eggs when it is cold. And I am pretty excited that they laid an egg in the middle of this frozen Texas weather. Everybody is happy and getting along, and I'm really happy about that because I don't like it when they fight. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. So please make sure to like and also subscribe.